Okay, yo, it's your boy Cobra, KOBRAW, Cobra Clothing, here with the Freak City. Yo, you see it, that Freak City, Bamberg, Germany basketball team. Shout out, yo, here with another video, doing some leather patches right now. Again, we're doing the trial on 3 different ways to do them with the K40 Laser. So I'm gonna go ahead and position the camera, let it go ahead and record, let it do its thing. We're gonna get back to y'all when the whole burn is. Alright, y'all, we back. I got some coffee on brew back there. We're gonna weed these out, see what each one of them looks like. They done in different programs. These 2 right here were done with Inkscape. Well, actually, all 3 of them went through Inkscape, but these 2 were done with the big gimping plugin. This one here was just turned into a SVG from my Affinity Designer program. So let's go ahead and get this tape off of here and let's see what we get. Tell you right now, man, I had to change up the power on them just to, let's see if I can get a different look on some things, you know. I'll show you where I did that marking at. But for the time being, let's just go ahead and get this on up out of here and get these weeded out, get this video up, man. You know, there's a lot of y'all out there with K40s, and a lot of people out there wondering if they should get into engraving. I saw it as an opportunity to expand the stuff that I was doing and my knowledge base. So, and at the time, you know, it was affordable, so I just went on ahead and done it, you know. It was almost a no-brainer to me, but this thing is killing it. My Ortour laser that I have, which is the 20 watt Ortour laser, or no, 15 watt, I take that back. Ortour laser, great machine, bigger space, a lot more space than the K40 gives. on the initial run. You know, the Hors Tour is about it's like 420 centimeters, about 430 centimeters. I ain't good at math right off top, so I don't really know what you want to call that, but I'd give it, you know, roughly. I mean, the biggest piece I've ever put in there was a 12 by 12 mirror, and I engraved the back of that. It came out pretty good. That shit came out really good. I'm not even gonna front on that. It came out really good. But with that laser, it's a diode laser, not a CO2 laser, and that's the difference that we have here. Maybe I had to do a segment on that to show the difference between diode laser and a CO2 laser. But the ultimate difference, or you know, just the right up front difference, power. You know, with the Hors Tour, you can get, you know, great results from it, but not as deep as this is on this leather. You know, with the speed and the precision that this laser can offer. You know, that laser's focal point is more scattered than this one, and that's why I do my leather cuts with the K40 rather than with the Hors Tour, because I would have done an Hors Tour video doing leather. See, that one's all off of there. Oh, there's some in the cigar there. So now, I did have tape over this whole thing, mind you, which, as you can see here, these deep indentions. See if I can raise that up and get that in focus. I know my camera doesn't want to focus on that. I think I got it too close or something. Well, if you could see right here, these burns, you can kind of see that a little bit in this area. That's burned down in there a couple picons or millimeters, whatever you want to call it, whatever your denomination of measurement is, you know. So now we're gonna move over to the big gimping plug-in change, where we have, and this is a negative that I did when I do these hats, or when I do these designs. I like to see how they're gonna look in negative and in positive. Now look at that in there. Like, I'm not scraping any of the engraved part out of there. You can actually see those lines all the way in there. Let's see if I can get that. Man, that thing is getting hard on the focusing. If you can see it, you can see the actual lines. See, I get a better picture of it later. I'll probably do like a still picture or something. But I mean, man, this thing right here, that K40, it's a beast, man. It's a beast. I'm not even gonna lie. It's actually my go-to laser at the moment. I'm gonna come scratch that. That's alright. This isn't a final product anyway. This is a test piece. I'm gonna have to show this customer here later. Shouts out to Ruby Road, my guy over there, Big Strickland, the big bro. We served together, you know, and you know, he's seen some of my work. And he just got his motorcycle repair shop going on, and you know, man, we were vets helping vets, man. Homies helping homies helping homies. You know, we're all just trying to be successful at what we're doing. You know, and you know, we reached out, we linked up. He sent me the graphic, sent me some stuff he wanted to do for some hats. I was like, say less, bro. I got that. I'll make that happen. So I'm also making this video as well to show him, kind of the process, and again to get my subscribers up. I'm not gonna front on that. Definitely trying to do that. I like doing some of these videos, and I actually have a regular job that I'm not gonna say I want to quit. I do like what I do. I'm a union laborer. I know it's kind of, some would say, the bottom of the barrel in the union world, but I like my job. It gives me variety. I like to say, man, if you like your job or love what you're doing, you'll never work a day in your life. So, but right now, it's me time. And this is my time to grow and get my business going, instead of sitting around busting my butt 10 hours a day, getting other people rich, man. I mean, I ain't a problem with working, but when you're doing it for yourself, it just tastes better. It just tastes way better, man. Look at that. And that tape I used on here isn't like a painter's tape or anything. It's just some tape that you get at Dollar General. I just rubbing out those little spots. That tape where it got in there real good at. Like those really little, man, intricate spots. You can see it in the video right here. I mean, if you can see that, when I take a picture of it, you're gonna see just how precise that laser gets. I don't know, I think it's a transformer. That's it's part of Teletron 1. Matter of fact, I might name it Teletron 1. Haven't picked a name for my K40 yet. I think I might add links in the description about that K40, where I got it from. There's a company called OM Tech. They did some quality of life checkups on it. They actually aligned the laser and got it ready to get done, to be in use. When I got it, they got it ready to be in use, and when I got it, I didn't have to line up anything. I might do a video on that. If you guys like this video, like to know more about laser engraving, not just on wood, on leather, other garment pieces, jean jackets. I got to do something on that. I'm gonna do a little series. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put together a little series and try to get this going for you guys on just the different things you can do within the crafter garment area with laser engraving and a lot of the other things that I do. If you peek my channel out a lot, or just looked around and saw some things that was going on my channel, you'll know that I don't do just one thing in one niche, but I got to get those things segmented, and because some people get discouraged when they see you doing other stuff. I don't know why, but I'm a guy of many talents, man. I do screen printing, which I'll be doing a series on all of these things here in the coming weeks. With the whole situation that's happened over the last couple of months, and actually the last couple of years, I found it probably best to just go ahead and work for myself, man. I love getting up doing this. I've taught myself graphic design by way of the Affinity what is that program I got? Affinity Designer course book. They actually have a course book that you can buy with the Affinity Designer. I mean, it's only like $30 or something. It's definitely a great rival to some of the graphics programs out there today. I mean, it has its limitations, just like anything else does, you know. But you know, you gotta know what you're using it for. So I'll do something with that and that. But since we're done with these, I haven't stained them or anything. I'm hoping I can get a good picture of it. So just regular. This is a regular graphic transfer right there in Affinity Designer. These two are the negative and positives of each other. Look closely. And these both were done with the big gimping plug-in using GIMP. Shout out to that guy that made that big gimping plug-in. I'd gladly pay $30 again for that. Even though there is another free option that you can use. Well, I'm not gonna say it's free. I don't know what they're charging for, but I think you can use it. Image-R. I might link that down in the description. You know, none of these are paid advertisements. Nobody's paid me to do any of this work or anything. But those are just the programs I like and use, and that's how they came out. So you know, I wish they were a little bit more in focus. Let me see if I can try to get this in focus. Yeah, there we go a little bit. You can see those little lines on that one in the middle. That thing, that's with the K40 laser. All three of them were engraved with the K40 laser. You know. So, yeah, there you go. So, okay, that's the video. You know what I'm saying? We got that Capricorn drip. You know, if you got a zodiac sign out there, you want me to do an embroidery on your hat or on a hat, you know, we got that Capricorn drip. We doing it with that PE800. You know, you guys see me down in there as the KOBRAW doing those. Boom, we got the leather engraving with the K40 right there. So yeah, if you like what you're seeing today, I felt this information was valuable, please go ahead, subscribe and like, comment, good, bad, or otherwise. You know, we're just trying to get on our road to heck, first get 100 subscribers, then we'll move on to getting you know, those 500. You know, everything's a small step. So you know, we're just trying to get out there and get some good information out there to you guys, so that maybe I got some information you need, maybe you got some information I need. Hit me up in the comments if you want to do any collabos or anything like that of any of the other videos that you might see down at the bottom or even on my channel. But yo, it's your boy Cobra. I'm out.